Is this on? Oh, it is on.
Okay.
Yeah. What's up, y'all? It's my favorite time of the year, clean out season. Today we are tackling this pond that Ryan, Jose, and a few other guys helped build. It looks pretty sweet. Check it out. It's gross now.
Ugh, brother, what's that?
But give us just a little bit of time and it'll look real nice.
Ugh.
Got some algae. Hopefully we don't find anything dead in there. Oh yeah, shooting it out into the woods. It's not too cold today. It's my boy Jose. We'll be back with more.
5 minutes later. One hour later.
All right, y'all. Final product. Looks a little different. Thank you, Jose, for the blower. Oh yeah, not looking too bad. Got the water filling. We have one single fish for this massive pond. He's proud of his work. Oh yeah. Catch us tomorrow, y'all.
Take me outside, how about that?
The next day.
So, one of my favorite things about clean out season is the critters that we find. Right now, I'm vacuuming out the biofalls, and look, I got a little friend in here. Got a little friend hanging out in there. Hey, buddy. Hey, bud. He's a big boy. Oh, yeah. We got a pretty big pond to do today, but that just means more fun for us. Jose's on the pressure washer, as usual, and we'll check back in a bit.
Later.
All right, y'all, we are on the rinse down part. So we got this part done, all rinsed down, all ready to go. Gotta assemble the biofalls back. All right, guys, we are getting ready to wrap it up for today, and it's Thursday. And we are lucky enough we only have to work 4 days a week, so it's technically my Friday. We got some fishies in here. I know you probably can't see them, but there's some big koi. You'll see them in a bit. We had to quarantine a fishy today, so he's hanging out in this tank over here. He's not really happy. You can't really see him with that freaking sun. Yeah, there he is. So she's gonna try to treat the fish, and hopefully he makes it and can make it back with his buddies. Jose is killing it. We're getting that last bit of muck that we can get out of here. I get picky, so I have to walk away sometimes, because if I could, I'd get every piece of dirt out, but it doesn't work like that. But yeah, check back in a few minutes.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
All right, y'all, we're about to put these fish in. About to put these fish in. Look at these fish. Look at these fish.
Wow.
Beautiful, he is saying. Beautiful, perfect color. He loves the koi, y'all. He loves the koi. Check out our little ducky thermometer. Thank you, boss man, for the purchase. Appreciate it. Sometimes it's little things like that, you know, that just like make you laugh in the day, and the ducky thermometer made me laugh. So you just gotta stay positive, you know. Jose's slowly putting those fish in, cleaning up his mess. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
One shift later.
All right. Good morning. Actually, I lied. Good afternoon-ish. Today it's obviously raining, but that doesn't stop me and Jose from working in the rain. We get wet anyways, so what's the rain gonna do? So today we are tackling this older style pond. I like it. Jose's handed me some fishies. It's raining today. He said it sucks, but he's strong and we're gonna work through it. And then the fun thing about this pond is there used to be a giant holly tree here that would always like poke us in the back when we were working, but they cut it down. So it makes everything better, honestly. It put a smile on both of our faces when we got here. But yeah, so we're gonna fix up some of the biofalls back there, and we're gonna clean this up, and yeah, check back in a few.
Soon after.
All right, guys, we survived the rain. We are wet and cold. But we did it nice and clean. And we cleaned up our mess out there, because that's what we do here at Pontz. We clean up after ourselves. Yeah, Bob, that's it. We survived.
Today with CE Pontz. Oh, my boy, no!
Do you like me? If you do, please say.